This is Jamie Gold and I'm here at RWA18, and one of the new features that they have at the conference this year is a demo room for planners and pens and basically desk supplies. And so I wanted to share a bit of what I discovered here, just because it is a really cool idea for people to be able to try out and see directly what works for them and what might not. Tables here of all the different kinds of pens, especially colored ones that people like to use on their planners. And of course they have the sign here, do not take, because they know writers. They can have all of the fancy sort of keyboards and mice, and nobody's taking that, but it's the pens that writers are tempted by. There were so many different kinds of planners. A whole wall full of planners, in fact. Demo room, you can try out all sorts of different mice, trackballs, and wrist rests, seeing what feels good for you. They have some chairs over here so you can try out different keyboards to see which ones feel good for your fingers and hand size. Lots of different ergonomic options, including some unusual ones like the balancing ball or the kneeling. Again, all so that you can try things out and see what works for you.